Alright everyone, in our today's episode we're gonna show you how to make a delicious potato soup with shrimps and broccoli. Our first step is peeling and cutting for onions. Just cut them into large pieces. Then we go on with a piece of celery that we already peeled and also cut into large chunks now. To give our potato soup more flavor, we want to add some carrots. We peel them and cut them into the same size as the onions and the celery. After cutting our vegetables, we need a big pot with some oil in it. Start heating it and add your vegetables as soon as the oil is hot. Fry everything for 3 minutes until everything gets a bit of color. Now we fill everything up with 2.5 liters of vegetable broth. Watch our video about vegetable broth if you don't know how to make some. If you can't make or buy any fresh liquid vegetable broth, you unfortunately have to use 2.5 liters of water. But attention! If you use water to fill up soups instead of broth, your soup will be far less delicious. In our next step, we stop the heat and start adding our potatoes. Peel them, but if they are too big, cut them in half. We peel 1.5 kilo potatoes and give them to our soup. After doing that, we start the heat again and wait until our soup starts boiling. Boil everything for at least 25 minutes at moderate heat. Now we have to puree everything. If you want to have a very fine soup, you use an immersion blender. If you want to have a more chunky soup, you use a potato masher to puree the soup. If you feel your soup should be thinner, you can add a small amount of white wine. If you feel your soup should be thicker, then you dilute a tablespoon of starch in a small amount of water or white wine and add it to your soup. We spice everything with a pinch of salt and pepper. After that, we also add a good tablespoon of yellow mustard. Now, we need our soup in it, the broccoli. Just break it into small pieces and give it to your soup. After that, we need to boil our soup for another couple of minutes. 5 minutes should be enough. But attention! Boil your soup very carefully at moderate heat. It can easily burn now. Therefore, stir the soup while cooking the broccoli in it. Finish your soup with a tablespoon of crème fraîche and sprinkle the pre-cooked shrimp over the soup. If you cook them the whole time in the soup, they lose a lot of flavor. We choose a very small type of shrimp. They fit extremely well to this soup. After decorating your soup with a small leaf of dill, your soup is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching. We hope you like and try this delicious recipe. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing us. If you want to support what we do, please like and comment our videos. And it especially helps us if you share our content on social media, like Facebook. Have a nice day. Over and out.